be awesome. He's so good at it too. I mean, seriously. The battery's getting weak now, though.
Come back up this way.
Turn around and come back this way with it.
I can't see him.
Show mommy how to do it. Woo! You okay? Did you get wet?